Are you having problems with being temporarily restricted on Twitter right now? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know, because I used to have the exact same problem before, but I was able to fix this, so I think that this will also work for you. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Twitter account right now, so right now I'm not actually restricted on Twitter, but I was like just a couple of like minutes ago, basically, I was actually temporarily restricted on Twitter. But now my Twitter works. As you can see, I can go into Twitter and I can basically like and stuff like that. As you can see, you can take this image as an example. I can like this image, as you can see. Like, it's, yeah, I mean, it looks like pretty decent right now from my side. And I can also, let's see if we can go up here for Spotify, for example. We can take this one right here, and I'm going to just unfollow, and then I'm going to follow this one again, as you can see, and I'm able to follow. I'm not restricted in any kind of ways right now on my Twitter, so as you can see, it does work. So basically what I did was to actually close my Twitter account, like rather my Twitter app firstly. So firstly I closed my Twitter app, then I'm going to go into my settings app. So go into your settings app, now go into general in here, and as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is perfect. Now I'm going to click on iPhone storage in here, just going to load here for me. It took me a couple of seconds actually to load this page, just so you know. So you will also need to probably wait a couple of seconds for it to load. Now scroll down in here until you can find Twitter. So I'm just going to scroll down, and Twitter is here, as you can see, and that is perfect. Basically what you're going to do in here is to click where it says offload app. But it is very important actually, when you are going to click on offload app in here, that you do make sure that you know your password and login details to your Twitter, because there is a chance that when you do click on that button, actually like your Twitter account will be logged out. And then when you actually go back into your Twitter app again, make sure that you know the login details just before you actually click on that button, just so you know. That is very important. So basically you need to click there and then try to go back into your Twitter app again and log back into your account, and hopefully this will solve this issue for you, because it did actually work for me. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.